In this tutorial, we are going to show you how you can calculate average value in Microsoft Excel. For this, we are going to calculate the average unit price of this brand. So, we are selecting this and then go to the Home tab. Then you can see that there is an auto sum and there is an arrow option. Click here. You can see there is an option of average. Click here. Here you can see that the average unit price of this value is arrived in a Microsoft Excel. There is another option. You can calculate average in Microsoft Excel. By clearing this cell, click enter equal, then write average. Here average appear. Tab, then select the range of data. We are selecting this, closing the bracket, click enter. Look, this value is same. These are the two ways you can calculate average in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching the video.